Dear students, today's topic is rounding of the numbers. Rounding of to nearest tens. I have taken 4 numbers. Question: round of the numbers to nearest tens. 53, 78, 519, 1285. What I have done, I have written this side the numbers, and here I shall be writing the rounded off numbers. I have drawn the place value chart up to 1000 because we have highest the number having place value highest 1000. Putting the numbers in the place value chart, I shall consider the numbers or digits which are in ones place. So, I shall check the digit of ones place. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So what shall I do? To write a rounded of number, I shall write ones place 0, and this 5 will remain 5. Here 8 is greater than 5, so again I shall write 0. 1 should be added to this digit, that means 7 plus 1, it will be 80. This is 80. As the ones place digit is greater than 5, we shall put 0 at ones place, and tens place will be incremented by 1, or the digit of tens place is added to 1, that is 7 plus 1 is 8. Here also you can see this 9 is greater than 5. This tens place will be added to 1. So my number will be 0. 1 plus 1, 2. And the hundreds place will remain same. For this 5, it is equal to 5. For this also, it is 0. 1 will be added. If it is less than 5, then the tens value will not change. But if it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then tens place will be added by 1. So this is 8 plus 1, 9, 2 and 1. So these are the numbers after rounding off these 4 numbers. The next topic is rounding of the number to nearest 100. This is number 2. So question: round of the numbers to nearest hundreds. So I am given 4 numbers. I have to write the rounded off numbers of the given numbers. So this is our place value chart. I shall be writing the numbers like this. Here it is given hundreds, so we shall consider up to tens value. That means we shall be checking the numbers after tens values. If it is less than 50, then the same way we have to write if this number is less than 50, but here I can see that 99 is greater than 50, so rounding off will be 00 for these two digits. 1 will be added to the digit of hundreds place, that is 8 plus 1 is 9, and thousands place, that will be 8. For this 46 is less than 50. 46 I can see this is less than 50, so in tens and zeros ones place we will have 2 zeros, and this hundreds place will not change, it will be 4. Here you can see it is greater than 50, so when I write 00 for these two places, that is tens and ones places, 0 and 0, 9 will be added, 9 will be added to 1, so it is 10. For the next number 24364, 64 is greater than 50, so again I have to write 00, 3, as it is greater than 50, this hundreds place digit 3 will be added to 1, so this is 4, 4 and 2. So after rounding off I get these numbers. So if you are asked to find the rounding of number to hundreds, you have to compare with 50. When we did with tens, it was for tens it was with 5, but for hundreds it will be with 50. The next one is rounding up to nearest thousand. This is the third one. Question: round off to nearest thousand. I have got 4 numbers. I have done the place value chart. Let us write the numbers in the place value chart. The first number is 9, 6, 5, 9, putting the digit from the back side. Then for this 8, 7, 9, 9, 9. For this 1, 7, 1, 7. For this 1, 7, 3, 6. Now we have to round up the numbers up to 1000. Now we shall be considering up to hundreds place of the place value chart. When we consider up to hundreds place value, we have to consider this if it is greater than or less than 500 or not. So 569, this is greater than 500. If it is greater than 500, you have to add 1 with the thousands place digit. So for these 3 digits you have to put 0, and as it is greater than 500, this 569 is greater than 500, what you have to do? You have to add 1 to the digit of thousands place, that is 9 plus 1 is 10. For this digit, this is greater than 500, so 1 will be added to this, 1 will be added to 9, For these 3 digits, I shall put 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 will be carried to the next digit. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 will be carried to the next digit. So 9 plus 1, that will be 10. For this number, 171 is less than 500. So for these 3 digits, I shall write 3 zeros. 7 will not change, so it will be as it is. 736 is greater than 500, so I shall put 0 for these 3 digits. 1 will be added as it is greater than 5, therefore it will be 1 plus 1, it is 2. So these are the rounded off numbers for the given numbers. Now estimating sum, difference and product using the rounded off numbers. The first thing we shall do, estimating sum. Question: estimate each of the following. Question number 1, 624 plus 992. And number 2, 13805 plus 2892. For solving the first question, what I have done, I have drawn the place value chart for both the numbers. As both the numbers are 3-digit number, it will be up to ones to 100, 1, tens and 100. Putting the digits in respective places, I have put the 2 numbers in the place value chart. As this is 3-digit number, what we have to do or what we should do, we should consider up to hundreds place. That means we will be considering the digits or the number after hundreds place. 24 is less than 50. So I can write the rounded off numbers for 4 and 2, 0, 0. As this is less than 50, this number is less than 50. 6 will not change, it will be like same. Here you can see that 92 is greater than 50, therefore 1 will be added to the digit of hundreds place. So in place of 2 and 9, I shall write 0, 0. And in hundreds place, it is 9 plus 1, that is 10. You have to add, so it is, the answer is 1600. To solve the next question, what else we shall be doing? To solve the next question, number 2, I shall be drawing the place value chart. Putting the digits in their respective place. 5, 0, 8, 3, 1. For this also 2, 9, 8, 2. You can see that these two numbers are more than 1000. So we shall be considering up to thousands place. Here we see that 805 is greater than 500. Therefore, if I write the rounded numbers. For these 3, I have to write 3 zeros. As this is greater than 500, I have to add 1 to this 3 of thousands place, so it will be 4, and in 10,000s place it is 1. This also greater than 500, therefore I have to add 1, so it will be 3. For these 3 digits, I shall write 3 zeros for this 3. Now add both the numbers, you shall get 17,000. Now the next point is estimating a difference. Estimate the following: 804 minus 537. For that, I have drawn the place value chart. You can see from ones, tens and hundreds place, putting the digits in the respective place. Here also putting the digits in the respective places. As this is a 3-digit number, I can consider up to hundreds place. So you can see that 04 is less than 50. 04 is less than 50. Therefore, for 0 and 4, I shall put 0 and 0. As it is less than 50, I shall put it as it is. If it is 8, it will be 8 only. Here also 37 is less than 50. 37 is less than 50. Therefore, in place of 37, you have to put 0, 0. And for 5, it will be 5 because it is less than 50. If it is greater than 50, then 1 would be 1 is added, or 1 is incremented with the digit of the hundreds place. Now we have to find the difference. 0, 0, 8 minus 5 is 3. So 300 is the estimated difference of the numbers 804 and 537. Now if I am told to find the product, then what shall I do? The same process, estimating product. Here what I have to do, I have to multiply the estimated values. So for that, what shall I get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 into 8, it is 40. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. This is the estimated product of the numbers.